everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great, and also my friends, I hope that you all are having a super happy, healthy, positive, fantastic, and most importantly super energetic life with your family, with your friends. So my name is Purva. I make lifestyle vlogs, I make healthy recipes video, I make diet plan related videos, my regular lifestyle related videos, and also sometimes travel vlogs. So if you like my channel, now quickly coming to today's video is going to be all about 1200 calorie Indian vegetarian meal plan. Many of my subscribers who are vegetarian, they have requested me to share a full vegetarian diet plan, because in my diet plan related videos I have shared both vegetarian and non-vegetarian recipes. But today in this video I'll be sharing fully vegetarian meal plan, but it's gonna be healthy, tasty and super delicious. And my friends, one most important thing, that 1200 calorie diet plan, it's not a very strict diet plan. You will have lot of options. So I will share a lot of information whenever I'll share the diet plan. I'll give you a breakfast recipe, full recipe, lunch recipe, and as well as dinner recipe. Also, I'll talk about some variety of recipes that you can make in this diet plan. So don't miss a single part of this video. It's gonna be helpful and super informative for you all. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So let's start this diet plan with the early morning drink. After waking up in the morning, you have to take this lukewarm water with lemon. Lemon has magnesium, potassium. It helps you to clear the system. It reduces uric acid. And also my friends, it's so good for your heart health. It's loaded with vitamin C, and also it boosts your metabolism rate. And that's why it helps you to reduce weight. So those people who are on your weight loss journey, you should take this drink in the early morning, right after waking up in the morning. So my friends, this is absolutely recommended, but yes, those who are taking your ACV or apple cider vinegar, you can go ahead with the plan. But for me, I always love to have my early morning drink in this way, the lemon water. And here comes meal number 2 of this diet plan. So my friends, here I am giving you two options. After having your early morning drink, within 30-35 minutes, you can have either 5 or 6 soaked almonds, or you can have 1 cup of tea without sugar. Just remember, without sugar, with 1 whole wheat biscuit or 2 Marie biscuits. Now I can understand that almond is a very healthier option, but there are some people who cannot live without tea. So for them, I am giving this tea option as a second meal. After taking your second meal, you should go for your morning exercise. This is highly recommended and most important. So my friends, in the morning time, you can go for some running, walking or jogging, or in the home also you can complete your exercise, the morning exercise schedule. In the morning you can do 15 minutes exercise, in the evening you can do 15-minute exercise, but at least 30 to 35 minutes exercise is must in this diet plan, or to have a very healthy body. So here I am giving you one breakfast option, because our third meal will be a super delicious breakfast. I am giving you protein and fiber enriched besan ki chila recipe. To make besan ki chila, first of all, in the mixing bowl I am mixing all the ingredients like besan and then water. Also I have added salt, carom seeds or ajwain. Then I have added little amount of paprika, turmeric powder and jeera powder or cumin powder. And then I am mixing everything well. And after making the ghol or batter, now I am adding chopped tomatoes and chopped onion into it. Again I am mixing well. Besan ki chila, you can use olive oil, peanut oil, coconut oil, or you can use even ghee. Today I have used olive oil, but choice is yours. Whatever oil is available in your home, the healthy oil options I have told you, so you can use any of that. Besan ki chila is a super healthy breakfast option because it's protein rich, and in the morning time you should intake your protein in a high amount. So yes, besan ki chila is a good option for vegetarian people. Just make sure you cook it well from the both side, because raw chila is not at all good for your health. Here you can see my absolutely perfect chilla is ready. Instead of having one big chilla, you can have always two small or medium sized chilla. So here is my second one and my breakfast is ready. And here around 8:30 to 8:45 you can have this nutritious breakfast, and this platter is looking super tempting and delicious. I have taken two small to medium sized chilla, and here is few raisins, because already you have seen in my previous videos that I love to have few raisins with my breakfast. Or you can have ghar ka bana hua achar. Don't buy any outside achar. You can make it in a healthy way at home. So either raisin or achar. So here is your breakfast. And here comes meal number 4 of this diet plan, which is mid-morning snack. Around 11 to 11:30 you should have your mid-morning snack. Here I am giving you two options. You can have either few grapes or one apple, or you can have nariyal pani or coconut water, and also you can have whatever fruits are available in your local market in the season or in your home. You can have it. Fruits are always good source of antioxidant. It's super good for your weight loss journey and your overall health. So please eat fruits. And here is the preparation going on for making a super delicious lunch. Today I'll show you this typical Bengali style healthy delicious vegetable curry recipe. We call it Pachmisheli Shobji or Labra. If you are my Bengali subscriber, then you definitely know what I am meaning by this Pachmisheli Shobji. This is super good for the health because it's loaded with lots of veggies, and also with these lentil balls, dry lentil balls like bori. We are going to have it in our vegetable. So yes, this is a healthy vegetarian option, and also I'll have some dal. So yes, you can have either chapati dal sabji or rice dal sabji. So now let's see this recipe. Again, I am making this sabji in olive oil. So here you can see I have added some olive oil into the pan. And now I'm gonna lightly fry these lentil balls. It gives actually a nice crunch into the dish, so I'm using it. And after frying the lentil balls, here you can see for the tempering or foron, in the oil I have added 1 green chili, 1 slitted green chili and 5 foron. This is the only spice that I am using into this recipe. This is super simple but absolutely flavorful. And now I have added all the veggies. It's time to add little amount of salt into it, or you can add just a little amount of sugar too. If you want, you can add. And now here in the middle I am adding little amount of ginger paste, and then I am mixing everything well. And now just a little amount of turmeric powder or haldi, and then I am adding my peas. And again it's time to give it a good mix. You have already seen, my friends, that I have not used much spices into it, just turmeric and panch foron, and that's it. After sauteing the vegetable for few minutes, here I am gonna add some warm water into it. Veggies also will release some water, so you don't need to add much water. To make it even more nutritious, you can add some spinach into it. Spinach is a good source of vitamin A, iron, and here I am adding spinach, and then I'll cover the lid and I'll let it cook. Here you can see I have shifted my veggie into that burner so that I can show you how I make my dal. So it will take another 5 to 7 minutes for the veggies to get cooked properly. And now I am making my dal. This dal recipe is super simple. In the oil I have added cumin seeds, and then little amount of fenugreek seeds or methi, then 2 pieces of dry red chili, bay leaf, chopped tomatoes, chopped onion. Also I have added turmeric powder into it and salt per taste, but no other masala. And then I have added my boiled masoor dal. Here I am adding water into it to adjust the consistency, and within few minutes my dal will be ready. Here, my friends, you can see my dal is absolutely ready. I have added little amount of dhania patta here too, and also here I am going to show you my veggie. And yes, it's looking super delicious and it's well cooked now. And at the last step here, I'm going to add these fried lentil balls into it. And also for the extra taste, here I'm adding roasted garam masala and cumin powder, and also little amount of ghee for extra health. So here is my sabji is ready. And here comes the serving time. This is absolutely important, my friends. Just look, this is small steel bowls. I have taken out 4 bowls actually. So these 2 bowls are same in size. I'm going to take my dal and sabji in these 2 bowls. And then comparatively in this small bowl, I mean the third bowl, in this bowl I'm going to have my rice. I'll measure my rice. And also in this small bowl, I'll have my dahi or yogurt. So in this way, I'm going to control the portion because this is 1200 calorie diet plan. So you have to think about the portion. And here is my rice is ready, absolutely ready. And here is, you have already seen my sabji and dal. So let's start. And finally here comes the lunch platter. It's looking super delicious, super healthy, and obviously it nutrient dense. And first of all, here I am going to show you the rice. You have already seen. On the third bowl, I have measured my rice. So instead of rice, you can have 1 chapati too. But yes, in the lunchtime, I prefer to have some rice. So here is rice, here is dal, sabji and yogurt. And also 1 piece of lemon. I just love to add some lemon into the diet. And here is green salad. So yes, fresh green salad, some yogurt, dal, sabji and rice. This is a perfect Indian vegetarian lunch. I hope you have liked my sabji recipe. It's super healthy and you have seen within just no time I made it. It's super flavorful too. So yeah. After lunch, here comes a very important meal of a day. This is 6th meal of a day. It's your evening snacks. And around this time, 5:30, whenever you feel super hungry, you have a tendency to eat very unhealthy outside junk food. My friends, please avoid junk food in this diet plan. If you want to have a good health, if you want to lose your weight, then don't eat junk food. Avoid pizza, burger, chips, cold drinks. These are high in calorie and very less nutritional value is there. So just keep that. So instead of having very unhealthy outside junk food, you can have this nutritious food. You can have this watermelon, you can have 1 apple, or you can have few nuts. Here I am giving you 3 options. Walnuts, they are good source of vitamin E and also good source of good fat. So yes, you can have some nuts or you can have some fruits. Or depending on your exercise schedule, I mean if you have done heavy exercise in the evening time, then you can have this chana chaat. It's absolutely nutritious, super good for your health, and it's perfect for your weight loss journey too. And here comes the last meal of this diet plan, which is dinner. You have to have your dinner around 8 o'clock, my friends. Don't be late to have your dinner, and also your dinner should be light. This recipe is super simple. In the oil, I have added some kalonji and green chili, and then I have added all the vegetable. I mean tricolor bell pepper I am using today. You can add whatever vegetable you want. You can add some broccoli, beans, carrots into it too. And then I have added little bit of garlic powder, paprika powder, little bit of salt, and then I am mixing everything well. This is basically a stir fry, so we don't need to cook it for longer period of time. And here just a little amount of water, not much, because we want a crunchy vegetable, not soggy vegetable here. And now I'm going to cover the lid and I'll simmer the flame. Just within 2 to 3 minutes in low flame, my capsicum is absolutely ready. Here I am adding some lemon juice on top and dhania patta for extra flavor and taste. And this is how the dinner platter looks like. It's looking again super colorful, super tasty and very tempting. Here my friends, I am showing you my stir fried capsicum and 1 chapati I am taking today. And on top, I have added just a little amount of ghee because ghee is good for your health. Rujita Vibakar ma'am, she always tells to have ghee. So yes, here is little amount of ghee. And this is the dal from the lunch time. And 2 pieces of onion slice and 1 green chili. So yes, this is my dinner is ready. Now after finishing your dinner around 8 to 8:30, at the bedtime if you feel hungry, then don't go for any unhealthy option. Instead, you can take this turmeric milk. This is absolutely good for your health. Turmeric actually helps you to reduce extra fat. It has anti-inflammatory properties and also it boosts the immunity, especially in rainy season. So you can have it. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed it. If you have liked my content, if you have liked the way I cooked, I made this diet plan, then please, my friends, subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my positivity and happiness family. And also take care of yourself. Stay happy, stay positive, stay energetic. Do your exercise regularly. Always eat healthy food and please take care of your health. So I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So tata, bye bye, love you.